My name is Prasanna, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be kicking off gRPC Conf here in India. I've been a huge gRPC fan and a user for the last 10 years, and it's a real honor to be the executive sponsor for gRPC and for this event. Thank you all for coming, and it's really exciting to be here with all of you. Over the next 10 minutes, I would like to walk you through and celebrate gRPC's incredible journey, adoption, see where it is shining today, and also get a sneak peek on where we think it's going and what future we are building for gRPC. It's really hard to believe that it's been 10 years already since gRPC burst onto the scene in 2015. And what an amazing 10 years and what an amazing success story it's been. gRPC is now the go-to solution for high-performance, scalable communications across multiple industries. Companies like Cisco, a lot of them that you see on the board here, Cisco, Netflix, Spotify, Reddit, LinkedIn, they're all leveraging the power of gRPC. Early adopters, Cisco began to integrate gRPC around the time we released it, about a year or so. And coincidentally, I joined Cisco around the time that they started to integrate this, and that's when my association with gRPC started. And it's been really interesting journey for gRPC and how companies have started to adopt it. Netflix has contributed to it from the very beginning, and they have started to use it since 2018 for their backend communication systems. Spotify has started to use it in 2019, Reddit, LinkedIn, and others soon after. In fact, in KubeCon last year, we saw a very interesting announcement from LinkedIn. They talked about how they migrated about 50,000 production endpoints from their private or internal framework onto gRPC. That really goes to show what a massive testament to the power of gRPC and the adapting of different use cases and how people are using it. It's very incredibly rewarding to see how gRPC is helping developers everywhere build amazing things. Over the years, gRPC has experienced massive adoption. You can see from some of these big companies that are using it, and across various industries. It's high performance and support for many languages. That is one of the key things that has made it a go-to solution for building efficient, scalable communication systems for distributed applications. That's what is making it interesting. So what is the secret sauce? What is making the momentum for gRPC so real? It has proven to be exceptional fit for cloud-native architectures. On the performance front, it is designed for efficient communication between services. We use protocol buffers to reduce message sizes. We use HTTP2 for efficiency and real-time communications. If you think about portability, Kevin already mentioned some of the different languages we are working on: Java, Go, Python, Node, C++, and many more. This obviously makes gRPC very language agnostic. It is perfect for diverse microservice environments. It also allows developers like you to build and deploy services in the language that you want. It makes it also ideal for microservices that need to exchange a large amount of data. Let's hold on that thought. I'll talk a little bit more about it when I speak about AI/ML. gRPC also enables an architectural pattern for microservices, enabling the different users to break down complex problems into smaller pieces, enabling parallel development as well as improved developer velocity. If you think about reliability, it provides features like load balancing, retries. It improves fault tolerance for you, ensures application reliability in massively distributed systems. And we also walk the talk when it comes to gRPC. In Google, we use gRPC in a variety of very important critical infrastructure pieces: Kubernetes, etcd, Containerd, and many other products. So in all, gRPC has become the popular choice for building modern, scalable, and efficient applications in cloud-native environments. And in Google Cloud, obviously, we are all about making cloud-native easier. And that's where Proxyless gRPC service mesh comes in. Just imagine you being able to use a service mesh capability without the hassle of any sort of a sidecar proxy. That means less complexity, that means better resource efficiency, it also means perfect for scale. gRPC also brings you essential service mesh features like auth-n, auth-z, load balancing, retries directly to your application so that you don't have to build that yourself. Kannan and Shiva are going to talk about service mesh and gRPC in this room at 11:30. You want to learn more about service mesh, that's the place to be. Moving on, coming back to being language agnostic, Rust is the new kid on the block for gRPC support. Last year, we announced our collaboration with Lucio Franco. We heard from Kevin, he's one of our primary contributors, and this was to kickstart support for Rust. I'm super excited to say we have made huge progress on this effort. We are also in discussions with LinkedIn to collaborate on additional contributions for Rust. LinkedIn is looking to contribute and make Rust available sooner. A public preview of gRPC Rust is coming very soon, and we will be announcing that shortly. For a deep dive into gRPC Rust, you should make sure to catch Arjun and Saurav's talk today, again in this room at 5. Continuing on the excitement, let's talk about AI/ML and see where things are going. I spoke about how large data sets and how efficient gRPC is, and the AI/ML world is exploding, and gRPC is really at the center of that action, revolutionizing how AI/ML models are communicating and operating. Its inherent efficiency and speed, robust for real-time data streaming. Also, it establishes it as a building block to train large models that we have today, as well as to bring inference requests to users quickly. The efficient data ingestion and processing that is facilitated by gRPC, it accelerates model development as well. What we are seeing is training of large-scale machine learning models. It involves handling and processing of enormous data sets. So gRPC's data serialization, the super efficient data serialization that you get, powered by protocol buffers, combined with the ability to handle large payloads, make it a very robust and reliable solution so that you're able to stream vast amounts of data directly to your training pipelines. When it comes to latency requirements, the low latency and high throughput that you are able to get makes gRPC very useful and very preferred for handling inference requests. If you think about TensorFlow and NVIDIA's dynamic Triton models, they also, so the prominent machine learning frameworks, they use gRPC to manage and process vast number of inference requests. They also use it for deployment and serving of AI models using gRPC as a transport. gRPC ensures that real-time applications receive predictions with minimal delay. So in all, if you look at how AI/ML is being used today, if you look at what are all the different requirements, gRPC is kind of very well placed to be at the center of that and ensure that we are able to use it and make the best out of what we have. So there are two main protocols that we are looking to support, and we will be talking a little bit more about that. Model Context Protocol, which allows AI agents to connect and use external tools, databases, and services, as well as Agent-to-Agent Protocol, which agents use to communicate, collaborate, and delegate tasks to one another. Both those are being supported by gRPC. There's some exciting announcements that are coming on MCP and A2A today. I will not break the suspense on that just yet. We will have more talks that are coming. We are also doing a lot of work in the AI/ML space. gRPC is your key enabler for that. And we have more sessions digging into this today. You should not miss that for sure. And finally, to come to an end, thank you all very much for being here at gRPC Conf. It's fantastic to see such an engaged audience. While we were expecting people to start to show up by 9, we were very happy to see some of you come in even at 8 o'clock today. And that kind of shows either the Bangalore traffic unpredictability or the excitement of wanting to be here. Thank you. And I'm definitely looking forward to all of you taking away a lot during the day today. Stay connected. Enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you. Kevin, back to you.
Thank you, Prasanna.